Empower Pro Installation SMS facility. In this video, we will understand how the SMS facility can be used to handle almost all the functions of the Empower Pro unit. When the unit powers on, it will send a power on SMS giving the details of power, pump status, and the mode of operation. Apart from the master number, you can register up to 4 secondary users. For adding the first secondary user, send an SMS *111 space 10-digit mobile number of proposed user hash to the unit. On similar lines, you can send SMS *112 space 10-digit mobile number of proposed user hash *113 space 10-digit mobile number of proposed user hash and *114 space 10-digit mobile number of proposed user hash to the unit for registering the second, third, and fourth users respectively. If any of these numbers is already registered, the response SMS will indicate the same. Else, the SMS will contain the mobile number of secondary user. Checking of user list. To check the user list, send SMS *130 hash to the unit. The response SMS will contain the list of the master as well as 4 users. Deleting a user. For deleting a user, send SMS *120 space 10-digit mobile number to be deleted hash to the unit. The response SMS will indicate deletion and also include the deleted number. Checking running status of the pump. To check the running status of the pump, send SMS *310 hash to the unit. The response SMS includes details such as fault status, pump status, voltage, current, runtime of motor, network, as well as mode. Mode change. When the mode selector switch is shifted from bypass to active or vice versa, the mode change SMS is received by the master. To change the mode to auto, send SMS *240 space 1 hash to the unit. The response SMS confirms that the mode has been changed to auto. Changing dry run pickup threshold. To change the dry run pickup threshold, send SMS *221 space value of dry run pickup threshold to be set hash to the unit. This can be set between 40 and 90% in steps of 5%. The response SMS will contain old dry run percent and new dry run percent along with date and time stamp. Reading of setting parameters. To read the setting parameters of the Empower Pro unit, send SMS *330 hash to the unit. It will respond with details of current system settings. This includes load current, rated voltage, on-time delay, star delta relay, DRP pickup, DRP reset delay, and the mode of the pump. Daily timer configuration through SMS. You can set 3 types of timers through SMS, which are normal timer, retentive timer, and daily timer. Normal timer setting. For setting of normal timer, send SMS *231 space duration for which the pump has to run hash to the unit. Remember that the duration should always be in HHMM format. For example, if you want to run the pump for 1 hour and 15 minutes, enter 0115. The response SMS confirms that the timer is set for the required duration. Retentive timer setting. For setting of retentive timer, send SMS as *232 space the duration for which the pump has to run hash to the unit. With retentive timer, The pump will run for the specified duration, irrespective of power cuts or any other reason that can switch it off. The response SMS will confirm that the retentive timer has been set as required. Daily timer setting. One can set up to 4 daily timers. For this, you have to send SMS *234 1 start time, stop time 2 start time, stop time 3 start time, stop time 4 start time, stop time hash to the unit. The numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 indicate timer numbers. The response SMS contains details of the daily timers. Now the pump will be switched on and off at the respective times of the day on a daily basis. All timers have to be set using only one SMS message. You can set less than 4 timers with an SMS. But when you want to add a timer, you have to include the previous timer values into the new SMS followed by the new timer values. Turning off the pump. To turn off the pump, send SMS *000 hash to the unit. The response SMS confirms that the pump has been switched off and also contains the user number from which this command was sent. Checking of pump run time. To check pump run time, send an SMS *320 1 hash to the unit. The response SMS gives you the run time in minutes. Protections. mPower Pro offers a host of protections which are enabled by default. At the same time, it offers the facility to enable or disable each protection independently by sending appropriate SMS. However, whenever any fault is disabled, the unit will not trip, even though the fault exists in the system. There will be no LED indications for the fault. Also, the master and other registered users will not receive any information via SMS from the unit. Disable, enable dry run protection. To disable dry run protection, send SMS *221 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that it has been disabled. To enable this protection, send an SMS *221 1 hash. The response SMS will confirm that dry run protection has now been enabled. Disable, enable single phasing protection. To disable single phasing protection, send SMS *226 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that the protection has been disabled. To enable, send SMS *226 1 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that the single phasing protection has now been enabled. Disable, enable phase reversal protection. To disable phase reversal protection, send SMS *223 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS confirms that it has been disabled. To enable, send SMS *223 1 hash. The response SMS will confirm that the phase reversal protection has now been enabled. Disable, enable overvoltage protection. To disable overvoltage protection, send SMS *224 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that the protection has been disabled. To enable, send SMS *224 1 hash to the unit. The response SMS confirms that the overvoltage protection has now been enabled. Enable undervoltage protection. For disabling undervoltage protection, send SMS *225 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that it has been disabled. To enable, send an SMS *225 1 hash. The response SMS will confirm that the undervoltage protection has now been enabled. Enable voltage unbalance protection. For disabling protection from voltage unbalance, send SMS *230 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that it has been disabled. To enable, send an SMS *230 1 hash. The response SMS will confirm that the voltage unbalance protection has now been enabled. Resetting dry run protection. By sending SMS *402 hash to the unit, only the dry run fault can be cleared or reset. As you can see, the fault is now cleared and pump will start again. This can be done irrespective of whether the pump is in auto or manual mode. Enable automatic power on call. To disable or enable the automatic power on call from the unit, you can send an SMS *261 0 hash or *261 1 hash respectively. Enable dry run fault occurrence call. If you don't want to receive a call in case of a dry run fault, send SMS *263 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS confirms that the call after fault has been disabled. To enable, send SMS *263 1 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that the facility to receive a call after dry run fault has now been enabled. Enable power on SMS. The power on SMS facility is enabled by default. If the user wants to disable it, he should send SMS *262 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that it is disabled. To enable, send SMS *262 1 hash. The response SMS will confirm that the power on SMS facility has now been enabled. Enable SMS feedback after fault. To disable SMS feedback after fault, send SMS *264 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS confirms that it is disabled. Now the user will stop getting messages after a fault occurs. To enable, send SMS *264 1 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that the facility has now been enabled and the user will start getting messages after a fault occurs. IVRS mode and missed call facility. mPower Pro offers both IVRS and missed call facility to the user. Any one of these facilities can be used at one point of time. IVRS mode is enabled by default, while missed call mode is disabled by default. When one chooses to disable IVRS mode, the missed call facility is automatically enabled. On the other hand, disabling missed call mode results in enabling of IVRS mode. Disable IVRS facility. To disable IVRS facility, send SMS *267 space 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm disablement of IVRS facility and enablement of missed call facility. Enabling missed call facility. To enable missed call facility, send SMS star 266 space 1 hash to the unit. The response SMS will confirm that it is enabled and the IVRS facility is disabled. Once you enable the missed call facility, if the unit cuts the call received from the user between 1 to 2 rings, the pump will turn on or off depending on its previous status. IMEI number of SIM card inside the unit. To obtain IMEI number of the SIM card inside the unit, send SMS star 350 hash. The response SMS will contain the IMEI number of the SIM. Checking network strength. To check network strength, send an SMS star 360 hash. The response SMS will send the signal strength as a percentage. Setting load current through SMS. To set the load current through SMS, make sure that the supply is healthy and no fault exists in the system. Now send SMS star 211 space IFL value hash. The response SMS consists of the values of the old and the new load current. This setting can be done irrespective of whether the pump is on or off. Disable, enable single phasing protection. To disable single phasing protection, send SMS star 226 space 0 hash to the unit. Now the fault will get cleared automatically. However, SMS will be received for any other faults for which the facility has not been disabled. To enable single phasing protection, send SMS star 226 space 1 hash. The response SMS will confirm that the facility has now been enabled. Now the master will receive an SMS if the single phasing fault occurs in the system. Fault cleared SMS. When there is a fault in the system and it gets cleared, the master number receives an SMS confirming that the fault has been cleared. Auto balance. If the SIM card inserted into the unit is of prepaid type and the auto balance feature is on, the unit sends an SMS indicating the balance of the SIM card after every 20 messages. This facility is enabled by default. However, one has to set balance code of the service provider for the same. For setting balance code, send SMS star 215 space USSD code of the service provider hash to the unit. For example, if the service provider is Vodafone, the USSD code will be 141. The response SMS will confirm that the code is set. To get information about balance, send SMS star 340 hash. The response SMS will indicate available balance. To disable this facility, send SMS star 265 space 0 hash to the unit. The response SMS confirms that the auto balance facility has been disabled. Error while inputting SMS. In case of any error while inputting the key or the parameter value of an SMS, the unit will respond with an SMS incorrect info. In such a situation, you have to input the correct SMS message and send again.